Hi guys, I'm sorry but my brother's watching Minecraft 8 and today we're going to play Subway Surfers. It's my first time and I played some of it, so you might be seeing that I have Jake and I have Tricky, I have almost everyone but little ones. To get started on the test. So my brother's watching a microphone radio. So if you do not hear, just put your headphones more, okay? You know. So but today we're going to play Super Surfers. So I wanted to play this, and I noticed if y'all guys liked it, please check the button. Okay, then subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we're going to play Super Surfers. I just said that 3 times. Sorry for that noise. It's just so loud. They always make it loud. Okay, here it goes. So now, as you can see, we have a new challenger, Rex. He's just going for laggy. So we here. I have Jake. Do you see? It's not it. I also got Tricky. Almost get him. I'm not sorry if it's lagging or not. We have Lucy. And we also got the tag bot. So let's get started. Sorry for the laggy. So what happens? What happens to Subway Surfers when it lags? Okay, it's Nox. So I'm gonna beat my world record if I can. Oops! I shouldn't have done that. Just waste 1 coin. Sorry, I'm in key. Forget about this game. We jump. Oh, the coin distracted me. You come get away with this. So already we might unlock a dino. We're still going. So I'm gonna do 10 rounds and then we'll see which one is the highest. No. Jump. I nearly chopped. We kiss the minds. Super fast. Oh, come on, beat the high scores. Yes. Sorry if it's laggy. It's just a game. It's not me. It's just a game. Okay, let's get that jackpot. Jackpacks. I mean, ooh, you don't know the names of this. It's Mystery Box. Hope I said that right. Go. I thought it was. Oh no. Oh, let's get stuck. Times twice a week. It's lagging so much. I thought I can make it. Oh, sorry guys, I don't think I can make it. So laggy. So laggy. This is going. I can't get back. No, I got stuck right there. Okay, this is get stuck. No, really. No. Definitely not. Okay, let's check that. A one fresh stray. Oh, 25 more to unlock him. It is. Whoa! I'm in brown, so I'm almost in silver. So I have to beat the silver. I have to beat the silver. And the browns. I have to beat bronze. And till I get silver, then I will have to get those gold, then diamond. I have to get some. Then I got the diamond, then I get the bronze, sometimes silver. But it's me, Mario. Mario's here to talk. It's me, the Mario. Today, you seen that? Well, check my channel. My channel's called Super Mario Brosies. And I have a lot of plushie of me. I have different things for me to collect. And it's this guy who is trying to do it. Oh really? Well, you don't think so. Yes, I will. Well, good luck. You boom. You fools. You can't do that. So let's continue playing. I'm sorry for the lag. I keep on saying that. To me, the Mario. And today, no, the berries used. Oops, nope, it's not part of the video. But that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know what's lying. We need to talk to Foxy right now. Hey, Foxy. Hi. Go tell us what happened to the next video. You couldn't see the face. Okay, it's happening again. Mario's coming back. It's me, the Mario, and please subscribe to this channel and mine. Come on, it's called Super Mario Bros. Super Mario Bros. That's it. Check out all my videos, and I still haven't made it, so just check it out, and then check out the Guerrero's one. He only has one. Also check out Cheapies, which is coming soon. And thanks so much for watching and have a good day. That's what Mars is. Goodbye!